Have you ever thought, I wish I could speak English fluently in just a month? I know it sounds ambitious, maybe even impossible at first. But let me tell you something. With the right approach, dedication, and strategies, you can make real progress in just 30 days. Today, I'm going to guide you through exactly how to do that, step by step, so by the end of this month, your English speaking skills can be dramatically better. The first thing to understand is that fluency doesn't come from memorizing grammar rules or lists of vocabulary. Fluency comes from using English actively every day. Think about it like learning to ride a bike. You can read all the manuals, watch countless videos, but until you get on the bike and start pedaling, you won't really learn. The same goes for English. You need to speak, listen, and think in English every single day. Start by setting up your 30-day plan. Day 1 doesn't have to be perfect. Begin with simple sentences. Talk about your day, what you ate or what you saw outside. For example, I had breakfast at 8 a.m. or the weather is sunny today. Even if it feels awkward at first, your brain is starting to form the neural connections needed for fluent speech. The key is consistency, not perfection. Next, immerse yourself in English. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, music, or even short stories. The goal is to expose yourself to natural English as much as possible. But don't just listen passively. Try to repeat what you hear, imitate the pronunciation, and mimic the intonation. This technique called shadowing is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency. I remember when I first started shadowing short English clips, I felt silly talking to myself in the mirror. But within a few weeks, my sentences became smoother, my accent clearer, and my confidence grew. Speaking of confidence, don't be afraid to make mistakes. One of the biggest barriers to fluency is fear. Many learners hesitate because they're worried about sounding wrong. But mistakes are proof that you're learning. Embrace them. Correct yourself, learn from them, and keep moving forward. The faster you accept that mistakes are part of the process, the faster you'll speak fluently. Another essential step is learning phrases, not just single words. Instead of memorizing eat or run, learn full sentences like, I usually eat breakfast at 8 a.m. or I like to run in the park. When you learn phrases, you can speak naturally without pausing to translate word by word in your head. It's a game changer for fluency. Now let's talk about daily practice routines. For 30 days, dedicate at least 30 minutes to an hour every day to active English speaking. Start with narrating your day, then move on to responding to questions, describing objects, or even recording yourself speaking about a topic you enjoy. At first, your sentences might be short and simple, but day by day, your vocabulary and sentence structures will improve. Keep a small notebook of new phrases and review them regularly. Technology can also speed up your progress. Use language apps, AI chatbots, or online speaking platforms to practice conversations. You can talk anytime, anywhere, and get instant feedback. The key is active engagement, not just scrolling or reading passively. Even 10 to 15 minutes of focused conversation practice daily can make a huge difference over a month. Let me share a quick story. I once challenged myself to improve my English in 30 days. I followed a strict routine, speaking aloud every morning, shadowing short videos, and chatting with AI in the evening. At first, my sentences were choppy and I stumbled over words constantly. But by day 15, I could hold short conversations comfortably. By day 30, I was speaking much more naturally, thinking in English without translating, and even enjoying conversations. The secret wasn't luck, it was consistent daily practice and smart use of time. Finally, mindset is everything. Believe that you can improve in 30 days. Visualize yourself speaking fluently, and remind yourself daily why you're learning English. Combine active speaking, listening, phrase learning, shadowing, and technology with persistence, and you'll be amazed at your progress. So if your goal is to speak fluently in 30 days, start today. Begin with simple sentences, practice daily, embrace mistakes, learn phrases, and immerse yourself in English. Follow these steps consistently, and your English fluency will improve faster than you ever imagined. Thank you for joining me on the English Hour today. If you found this episode helpful, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to speak English fluently in just 30 days. Keep practicing every day, and I promise, by the end of the month, you'll see a real difference. I'll see you in the next episode with more practical tips to speak English naturally and confidently.